Alright, here's the exhaust in this car. You can see it's got downpipes, and it is full 3.5 inch stainless USA steel, flex section, V-band flanges. It's a really nice piece. Now this is our same as our 335 exhaust, except this rear section, and this is a prototype rear section, obviously. But you can see it's rubber mounted here, and there's really no drone when we rode in the car. Now the only difference here is, as you can see, we don't have the tips on, but this part will be made just like the front section. And then let's go over here. Here are the tips that are going to go on that. So, and these sections will be both in the blue color, and we'll also have them in just the polished titanium. This is a titanium piece. Now this exhaust actually on the 335 took 40 pounds out of the weight of the car. So okay, can you just rev it up a little bit? I love how you hear the turbo out the exhaust.
Sure.
Now that of course will be a different tip on the end, right Jeff?
Correct.
So that'll be and obviously won't look like that. It'll be titanium quad, or titanium dual tips. And then we'll have a different rear diffuser, so there'll be duals or single option. You want to rev it up one more time?
Don't drive it, Chris.
Okay.
Just be careful, the ground clearance on it.
Oh, okay.
Just exit that way like you usually do.
Alright. Alright. This is not too loud inside. Now this is with there's a downpipe in here, so that's why it's a little louder than when the downpipe isn't in. Alright, some people were asking if this exhaust droned, so I'm going to drive around at different RPMs and we can check and see. Now there are no mufflers in this exhaust, so we'll see what it sounds like. So I'm just going to take it around at different RPMs so we can see what it sounds like at each RPM. So let's go here. It's 3,000 RPM, no drone. 3,500, no drone. 2,000, no drone. 2,500. It's actually pretty dang quiet. I mean, I'm not talking that loud in here at all. Oh, better stop for that. That's 4,500 RPM. It's kind of getting into it. It's wet out, so I can't really make it go too fast here. But I actually really like the sound. Okay, I'm gonna take this back out. GoPro. So I don't know if that is gonna turn out louder or not, but that's revving up. Okay, now I'll open the window. Let's put that outside and hear it.